Banco, and the representative of potency.
That's just one among the many awards we're giving out tonight. Our next corporate award is Miss Isa Skincare.
To present the award for Miss Isa Skincare and Body Expert is Miss Novem Faith Chiazon, Tourism Officer, Municipality of Barota Nuevo, and representative from Isa Skincare and Body Expert.
Our Miss Isa Skincare is none other than candidate number
3, Gina J2 of Manila.
Presenting the awards are Miss Novem Chiazon, Miss Sherry Rose Recaforte Cordero, Saika Balicao, Clinic Supervisors, Isa Skincare and Body Experts.
Just to remind everyone that these set of awards, which are the corporate and special awards, have no bearing to our final score tonight. However, these awards are given by our corporate sponsors, which means that these ladies have been noticed by our partners. So congratulations.
Yes, and now let's proceed to our next corporate award, the Miss Herbalife.
To present the award for Miss Herbalife is Karen Gayanilo, incoming president of Iloilo Tourism Officers Association and representative from Herbalife.
Our Miss Herbalife is none other than candidate number.
Who do you think it is?
Congratulations to candidate number 3, Miss Gina Chu of Manila.
Presenting the award for Miss Herbalife are Miss Karen Gayanilo and representative from Herbalife.
All right, we have so many awards more to do. Our next award partner is
Miss Splash.
To present the award for Miss Splash are Mr. Chester Laroder, Information Officer, Municipality of Calino, together with a representative of our corporate sponsor.
And the winner for our Miss Splash is candidate number... Who do you think she is? She is candidate number 3, Gina J2 of Municipality of Manila.
all right. Again, just para klaro lang sa ating audience, ang ginahatag natin na awards, so mga special and corporate awards, has no bearing on the judges score to our candidates. But of course, ginatagaan naman ang merit na as you mentioned, Kalina partner, they caught our corporate representatives' attention. All right. Again, congratulations to our Miss Splash. And now, let's proceed to our next corporate award, the Miss Sansan.
To present the award for Miss Sansan is Miss Susan Pacheco, Tourism Officer, Municipality of Dueñas, together with the representative of Sansan.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Sansan is candidate number. Congratulations to candidate number 2, Miss Stephanie Soliera of the Municipality of Liganes.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our corporate awards, and now we're proceeding to the
Special awards. We have 2 special awards na igahatag sa subong gabi.
So ladies, to the other remaining ladies, just hold your horses. We'll be announcing the 2 special awards we're giving out tonight. First up is our Miss Social Media.
To present the award for Miss Social Media is Mr. Emerson Franco, Municipal Tourism Officer, Municipality of Iloilo, together with a representative for Miss Social Media.
I think all of our audiences here tonight have participated in making this award possible.
Bumoto ka na ba, partner?
Ayun, I think as a host, kailangan neutral tayo. So wala
Yes,
akong
ako
vote tonight.
bumoto ako, pero I won't announce whom did I vote. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Social Media is candidate number...
Who do you think she is? She is candidate number 8 from Ibaras, Sarah Elizabeth Bugoy.
Presenting the awards are the tourism staff from the Municipality of Iloilo and Municipality of Carles, Iloilo.
Alright, now we only have one special award to go, and that is the Miss Friendship.
To present the award for Miss Friendship is Miss Marlene Tagudar, Municipal Tourism Officer, Municipality of Tubungan, Iloilo.
I think this award has been given by the candidates themselves. They voted for the most congenial of them all. So here she is. Our Miss Friendship is candidate number... Who do you think she is? She is from Dueñas, candidate number 6, Femi C. Lama. Congratulations.
Congratulations! And we have another special award na igahatag sa Subongan Gabi, and that is the Miss Photogenic.
To present the award for Miss Photogenic are Mrs. Angela Poro, Municipal Tourism Officer, Municipality of Canino, Iloilo, and our representative from Litrato Company, Official Photographer, Miss Iloilo Tourism 2019.
And now, may we call on the representative of Litrato to please reveal kung sino pala sa ating mga candidates ang nagdaog sa ating Miss Photogenic Award. Please come over the stage and reveal it to the audience so that we can all see whom among the 18 lovely candidates garnered the Miss Photogenic Award.
Here she is. We're just waiting for the picture to be revealed, and we will know who our Miss Photogenic.
Alright. Can you reveal it to us and then to the candidates? Please reveal it now, ladies and gentlemen. It is candidate number 9. Alright.
She is Rochelle Temporosa of Bigbawan.
Congratulations to our Miss Photogenic.
You have an amazing collection now in your room of your pictures, from the pageant. It's something that you can commemorate and
Yes.
always look back to when you
It
go
will
back.
always bring nostalgic memories too. Alright. Thank you so much, ladies, and congratulations to our special and corporate award